This method of solving linear programming problems is referred as a corner point method. The method comprises the following steps. First step, find the feasible region of the linear programming problem and determine its corner point vertices either by intersection or by solving two equations of the line intersecting at the point. Evaluate the objective function z is equal to x plus by at each corner point. Let m and capital M and small m respectively denote the larger and smallest value of this point. When the feasible region is bounded, m and m be the maximum or minimum value of z. In case of feasible region unbounded, we have m is equals to maximum value of z, and if the open half plane determined by x plus by greater than m has no point in common with the feasible region, otherwise z has maximum value. Similarly, m is the minimum value of z if the open half plane determined by x plus by greater than z has no point in common with the feasible region, otherwise z has no minimum value. Different types of linear problems. ठीक है, तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रॉब्लम, वी डिटरमाइन द नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स of the different products which should be produced and sold by a firm when each product requires a fixed manpower, machine hour, labor hour per unit of product. ये है warehouse space per unit of the output etc in order to make maximum profit. डाइट प्रॉब्लम में वी डिटरमाइन द अमाउंट ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स विच शुड बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन अ डाइट सो एज to minimize the cost of the desired diet such that it contains a certain minimum amount of each constituents या nutrients. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्रॉब्लम में वी डिटरमाइन अ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन शेड्यूल इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड द cheapest way of transporting a product from a plant's factories situated at different location to different markets. तो ये था लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग में पूरे टॉपिक्स. आई होप आपको अच्छे से समझ में आए होंगे ये सारे टॉपिक्स. ये मैंने आपको पढ़ा दिया है ये पूरे लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग का. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम प्रोबेबिलिटी देखेंगे.